Alright. Hey, and welcome to The Last of Us. Since this year, sometime this year, part 2 is coming out, I thought, why not do a playthrough of this wonderful game? So, yeah, let's get started. How long am I gonna be sitting in the dust? Alright. Tick tock, tick tock. Hey, yeah. Oh, okay.
Tommy, listen to me. He is the contractor. He's the contractor, okay? I can't lose this job. I understand. Let's talk about this in the morning, okay?
Damn.
We'll talk about it in the morning. All right, good night.
Hey.
Scoot.
Monday at work, huh?
What are you still doing up?
No, you could tell he'd been doing that slave shit.
It's way past your bedtime.
But still today.
Honey, please not right now. I do not have the energy for this.
Mm-hmm.
Here,
What's this?
your birthday?
Aw, you got your gift.
You kept complaining about your broken watch.
She thought of you.
So, figured, you know.
That's
like it?
adorable.
Honey, this is... It's
What?
nice, but I think it's stuck. It's
Damn.
What? No. Oh, ha ha.
Oh,
Where did you get the money for this?
Drugs. I sell hardcore drugs.
Oh, good. You started helping out with the mortgage then.
Yeah, you wish.
you know, I actually wondered how she got that watch. I want to know, but yeah. Like, you think she actually sold drugs to get that watch? It's weird. You see that phone right there with the... What the hell did it say? Nope, never mind. Ah. It's a fucking sound check for this shit. The house phone. Beep, 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 beep.
Hello?
Sarah, honey, I need to get your daddy on the phone.
Uncle Tommy, what time is it?
I need to talk to your dad now. There's something.
Uncle Tommy?
Uncle Tommy.
Hello?
No. Uncle Tommy needs some help.
What's that all about?
So tiny. Oh shit, wait, what that say? Hold on, that say down under too. Ah, okay. Let's get the show on the road. Dang.
Oh, dang
Let's
it.
look at it.
I forgot to give this to him.
Ah, it's a dinosaur. What does it say? Dear Dad, let's see. You're never around. You have the music I'm into. You practically despise the movies I like, and yet somehow you still manage to be the best dad every year. How do you do that? Happy birthday, Pops. Sarah. You're not a fossil yet. That's adorable. Got that for her dad. Alright. Is there anything else I could touch? Hold on. Okay. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's open the door.
Dad?
Oh, this bathroom. Okay. Toilet paper. Oh, newspaper. Admitted spikes at area hospitals. 300%. I thought that said 30%. 300% increase due to monsters. Mysterious infection. Oh, I thought there was something in there for a second. So fucking tiny.
Daddy?
Pops. Pops. Wake up.
You in here?
Seem to be somehow connected to the nationwide
Where the heck are you?
Ah,
People
TV.
reports that victims afflicted with the infection show
That's
signs of
nearby.
increased aggression and there seems to be some commotion coming from the
Ooh, whoa. That's crazy. Damn.
Dad?
Damn, alright. Oh, okay. Let's start going.
Dad?
Papa. I'm scared.
What is going on?
What is going on? I'm not fucking with it. Oh. Fuck 12.
There's
Telephono. Give me that shit.
8 missed calls. Where the hell are you?
On my way.
On my way.
Damn, it's 2 a.m. Okay. Alright. Oh. Hello? Okay. Hello? Oh. What's up,
There
Pops?
you are.
Sarah, are you okay?
Yeah.
Does anyone come in here?
No, who would come in here?
Don't go near the doors. Just stand
Okay.
back there.
Dad, you're kind of freaking me out. What's going on?
It's the Coopers. Something right with them. I think they're sick.
They sick.
Kind of sick.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Jimmy!
Dad?
Jimmy?
Come here. Come here.
Oh, my man bloody. Oh, Jimmy!
Jimmy, I am warning you. Don't!
You shot him.
Sarah,
I saw him this morning.
Jimmy, there is something bad going on. You've got to get out of here. Do you understand me?
Okay.
Yeah.
Tommy, come on.
As a mixed light-skinned boy, we shall run.
You have any idea what's going on out there?
Tommy.
Got some notion.
Holy shit. You got blood all over you.
It ain't mine. Let's just get out of here.
Let's just catch up. Calm down.
Just please go.
Or a parasite or something.
The
Tell me
parasite.
what happened?
Later.
Yeah, Jimmy tried to eat Dad.
How you holding up, honey?
Not good.
I'm fine.
That's a lie.
Can you hear us on the radio?
Yeah, sure thing.
Yes, because radio always helps.
Cell phone. No radio. Yeah, we're doing great. Maybe newsman wouldn't shut up.
He said where to go?
He said,
No, everybody dipping.
Army's put up roadblocks on the highway.
Mm-hmm.
No getting into Travis County.
Mm-hmm.
Hell out. Take the 71.
That's right.
Fuck 12.
Did they say how many are dead?
Probably a lot. Found this one family all mangled inside their
Tommy.
house.
Damn.
Right. I'm sorry.
Jesus Christ, have mercy.
Damn.
They got no clue.
Okay.
We ain't the only town. At first they were saying it's just the south. What about the east coast, the west coast? Holy hell.
Mr. Worldwide.
That's Lewis's farm.
Louis.
I hope that son of a bitch made it out.
Hope he did.
Sure he did.
Were we sick?
No.
Of course not.
How do you know?
They said it's just people in the city. We're good.
Didn't Jimmy
We
work in the
country
city?
folk.
That's right, he did. We're fine. Trust me.
All right.
Let's see what they need.
What do you think you're doing? Keep driving.
We got a kid, Joel.
So do we.
But we have room.
Keep driving, Tommy.
Good luck.
See what I see. Someone else will come along.
You should have.
Wee. By ambulance.
This is bad.
Damn.
Everyone and their mother had the same damn idea.
Miami's daily traffic.
We could just backtrack and...
Se jodió. Oh my god.
Tommy! Holy shit!
Go beep beep. Go beep beep.
What just happened? What the fuck just happened? Did you see that? Yes, sorry. God damn.
Go beep beep. Go beep beep.
Turn here.
Come on, people, move.
What are they running from?
Theo just fucking run him over.
Oh no.
Theo Tommy just ran him over. He's stupid. You
Fucking drive through them, Joel! Back up there! They're behind me too! There! Hold on! Go!
stupid. Whoa. Am I dead? I know I'm not dead. Alright.
Daddy?
Papa, wake up.
Hey!
Papa. Oh, damn.
Get back.
Get back. Gonna bust this shit. Hiya. 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 Cause we strong, man. Oh shit, where'd the zombie go? No. Uncle Tommy. Fuck yeah.
Dad?
I'm here, baby. I'm here. Come, give me your hand.
Get my daughter.
What is it?
My leg hurts.
Damn.
Pretty bad.
We're gonna need to run. Keep us safe. Come on, baby.
Alright,
Now hold
go
on tight.
run. Move it.
Daddy, I'm scared.
Oh my god. Damn. She really can't keep her eyes. Okay. Run.
People are on fire.
It's been a while since I played this game. Damn, these guys just keep bumping into me. Oh my god. Uncle Tommy, where do I go? Go this way. Run. Go.
We're gonna get out of this. I promise.
And if I remember correctly, it's through that alley. Oh, damn. Alright. This way.
Get back! There's too many of them! This way! Through the alley!
Come on, Tommy. Go. Bust that shit.
Go!
Oh, tap square. Thank you, Uncle Tommy.
He's dead!
Jesus.
God damn it! We're almost there, baby. They're getting through the fence!
Ooh, go.
Come on!
Run.
Joel!
Uncle Tommy, if you don't get the fuck out the way.
Get to the highway! Go! You got Sarah! I can outrun him!
Uncle Tommy?
I will meet you there! Hurry!
Don't die, Theo.
Daddy, we can't leave him.
Okay. Run.
We're almost there.
Dun. Oh fuck, I hear him behind me, that's scary. Oh, there's one right there. Go. Dude, the shadows are scary, bro. You're not touching me, okay. We are saved.
It's okay, baby. We're safe. Hey, we need help.
Stop!
Please. It's my daughter. I think her leg is broken.
Stop right there!
We're not sick.
Got a couple of civilians on the outer perimeter. Please advise.
Daddy, what about Uncle Tommy?
We're gonna get you to safety and go back for him, okay?
Sir, there's a little girl. But...
Bruh.
Somebody, we've just been through hell. Okay, we just need... Shit.
Fucking puto.
Oh no.
Sarah. Move your hands, baby. I know, baby, I know. Listen to me, I know this hurts. You're gonna be okay, baby. Stay with me. I'm gonna pick you up. I know, baby, I know it hurts. Come on, baby, please. I know, baby, I know. Sarah. Baby. Don't do this to me, baby. Don't do this to me, baby. Come on. No. 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 Please. 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 Please.
The number of confirmed deaths has passed 200. The governor has called a state of emergency.
There are hundreds and hundreds of bodies lining the streets.
Panic spread worldwide after a leaked report from the World Health Organization showed that the latest vaccination tests have failed.
With the bureaucrats out of power, we can finally take the necessary steps.
Los Angeles is now the latest city to be placed under martial law. All residents are required to report to their designated quarantine. Riots have continued for a third consecutive day, and winter rations are at an all-time low.
A group calling themselves the Fireflies have claimed responsibility for both attacks.
Their public charter calls for the return of all branches of government.
Demonstrations broke out following the execution of 6 more alleged Fireflies.
You can still rise with us. Remember, when you're lost in the darkness, look for the light. Believe in the Fireflies.
I remember watching her die the first time, like, I didn't think of it, and now I kind of tear up. Nah. But yeah, I teared up now, compared to when I was like 12. I didn't. 20 years later, alright.
I'm coming.
This dude old. He got that quarantine cut.
How was your morning? Want one?
No, I don't want one.
Well, I have some interesting news for you.
Where were you, Tess?
West End District. Hey,
West
we had a
End.
drop to make.
We had a drop to make.
Well, you wanted to be left alone, remember?
So I'll take one guess. The whole deal went south and the client made off with our pills. Is that about right?
Deal went off without a hitch. Enough ration cards to last us a couple of months, easy.
Damn.
You want to explain this?
I was on my way back here, and I got jumped by these 2 assholes, alright? Yeah, they got a few good hits in, but... Look, I managed.
Give me that. Are these assholes still with us?
Well, that's funny.
Let's find out who they were.
Yeah, look, they were a couple of nobodies. They don't matter. What matters is that Robert fucking sent them.
Robert.
Our Robert.
He knows that we're after him. He figures he's gonna get us first.
Son of a bitch, he's smart.
No. He's not smart enough. I know where he's hiding.
Because he's
Like
fucking
you
stupid.
Old warehouse in Area 5. Can't say for how long, though.
Well, I'm ready now. Yeah?
What I can do now.
Yeah. Badass shit. Gang shit. Alright.
Checkpoint's still open.
We got a few hours left until curfew.
We better hurry up then.
Are you serious?
I got served the damn papers this morning. I've been selected for outside work duty.
Outside work duty.
Crap. Soldiers are supposed to handle the outside.
I'll make sure to tell them that.
Free.
Attention. Citizens are required to carry electronic means at all times. Compliance with all city personnel is mandatory.
Look at that. The ration line hasn't opened yet.
Damn.
Must be running low again.
Damn.
Seems like more people are getting infected.
Damn, man.
Where's Mark at? In here. We caught him trying to escape crash.
The way I heard it, they lined him up in the street and cut him up.
I gotta sell new papers. They shouldn't give us any static over there. Just play cool.
The subtitles are going crazy. Where you going? Oh wait, am I leading? Okay, I'm leading. Okay.
See you later. Here you go. What's your business here?
Got the day off. Visiting a friend.
All right, we'll run through it. Thanks.
Damn.
Get out of here! Close it up! Fireflies!
Pull back X. Okay. L1. Check star. Check star.
Coast is clear.
Attention. Checkpoint 5 is now closed
Alright.
until further
Nice.
notice. All civilians.
So much for the easy route. Patch yourself up, alright?
Bandages. Is this Fortnite? JK, let me not. Alright. So, equip the health kit. Hold R2. Okay. Cool. Alright.
They're gonna close all the checkpoints. We're gonna have to go around the outside.
What
Outside the wall.
Or we could just let
I don't want to
go.
interrupt them.
Cute.
Hey, Tess, you see that shit?
I was there. Hey, how's the east tunnel looking?
Yeah, it's clear. I just used it. No patrols. And where are you off to?
Gonna be Robin.
You too?
Who else is looking for him?
Marlene. She's been asking around, trying to find him.
Marlene? What do the Fireflies need with Robert?
You think she'd tell me?
Well, what did you tell her?
The truth. I got no idea where he's hiding.
Good man. Hey, you stay out of trouble, all right? Military's gonna be out in force soon.
Yeah, see you around.
I like how he said see you around and he just kept walking with us and then like
Marlene,
now he just sits there.
What do you make of that?
I don't like it. You better find him before the Fireflies do.
What if like what if like the Fireflies was like actual Fireflies and they just got guns and shit?
Hey guys, how's it going?
Shit's stirring up out there. How we looking over here?
It's been quiet. No signs of military or infected.
That's what I
Cool.
like to hear.
Hold the wall.
Joel, give me a hand with this.
Damn, okay. Hiya! Strong man shit. Alright, bye man. Wee!
Oh, God, this place reeks. I need
It's
to watch
dark
them
as
throw away
hell.
down here. There'll be light. Grab our gear.
Hiya!
Our backpacks are still here from last time.
Pistola.
A lot of ammo.
Make the shots count.
Alright, R2 when not aiming. Okay.
Alright, Texas. Boost me up.
Oh, I got boost you up. Why are you looking at me like that? Damn. Jeez.
You ready?
Go.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
Yeah.
Go on. Be careful.
When am I not?
Got a trick question?
Real quick, I want to see if there's anything back here. Alright. Alright, let me just go.
Ain't been out here in a while.
It's like we're on a date.
Well, I am the romantic type.
Got your ways.
Are they trying to say they did things? They probably did things.
Where's the ladder?
It's got to be around here somewhere.
Escalera, oh, escalera. Okay, escalera. Let's see if we can find it. Found it.
Got it.
Great, bring it over.
Ladies first.
Lady, you must be thinking of someone else.
It's all relative.
This way.
Damn, I'm quick as hell.
Down through here.
Whoa.
You think Robert's still got our guns?
For his sake, he better.
Once we get our merchandise back, it should be easy to unload.
Well, speaking of merchandise, when's that next shipment due?
We're meeting Bill next month. More
I'm sorry.
pills, lots of ammo. Supposedly. Hold up. Spores.
Where the hell are all these coming from? The place was clear last time.
Coming out of something. Stay alert.
There's our culprit.
Body's not that old.
Yucky.
Better keep your eyes and ears open.
We should be able to fit through here.
Oh, fuck no.
You okay?
Yeah. Damn ceiling's falling apart. Be careful. This way. Easy.
Ah.
Me. My mask broke. Don't leave me to turn. Please.
What do you want to do?
I got you, buddy. Rest in peace.
Poor bastard.
I gotta grab stuff. Here we go.
Up ahead. You hear that?
Okay, hold R1. Alright. Oh, what the fuck?
How you want to handle it?
Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Oh, he got some nice eyes. Alright. Let's do the rest. Oh, bitch, 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 bitch. Oh, 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 oh. I still got it. Die. Yeah, bitch. What's up?
All right.
Oh, you.
Let's hope so.
Okay.
Let's head back into the city.
More. Cool. Alright, let's go to the city. I'm gonna check over here real quick. Oh. Note to brother. Alright. Just in case, if you guys want to read that, you can pause. And yeah.
They got infected trying to sneak into the zone.
As much as everyone complains about it, you got all these poor bastards wishing they were living on the inside.
Whoa.
Fresh air. That's the one thing I love about the outside. I hate the smell of the city.
Why don't you ask Bill to get you some of them air fresheners?
Hey, if they weren't expired, that'd be a good idea. We're here. Cover the entrance.
I got it.
Damn it. Plank fell down.
Plank. Okay.
Be a dear, would you?
I'll get it.
I'm not a deer, but okay.
Here, pass it to me.
Take this. There you go.
It's a bit heavy.
I think I can handle it.
I think I go. Is that here? Is it here? It's here. Cool.
Get your ass up here. Let's move.
Alright, cool. Hey, yeah.
Make sure there ain't any soldiers around.
It's clear. Come on. Shut it.
Oh. Okay.
Pick up that ammo. I'm sure we'll need it.
Oh, where? Oh, okay.